الكريم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. First of all, I express my gratitude to Almighty Allah. I thank the Honorable President of the religious gathering in our madrasa, and thanks to our Honorable Superintendent of this madrasa and our respected teachers. And at the same time, I thank the pilgrims who came to smell the fragrance of knowledge from the flower garden of this religious assembly. Our mentors, our young brothers from different places, and the student guardians of our madrasa. Beautiful and fairness society, builders coming from schools, college, and madrasa, as well as teachers, and the high quality society building thinkers, political groups, and the electronic media, printing media, social media, and in today gathering the perfumer present as the chief guest, the inspiration of young society, the heartbeat of the student society, the passion of the learned society, the eminent Islamic scholar. We extend a warm welcome with our blessings and prayer. Hazrat Sayyid Junaid Ahmad Sahib and Hazrat Abdul Basit Sahib and Hazrat Manarul Islam Sahib. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. O guests, we issue long life, health, and more knowledge in the presence of Almighty God. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.